Hey everyone, so this is my 1 minute tip for the day. I just came from a lovely shoot with Mr. Michael Henry, and I got there a little too early. I had read the text wrong and I got there about 30-45 minutes early. But I wasn't worried because there was a lot of stuff I could do. I could check my bag for equipment, I could make sure I had my batteries, I could make sure my boom mic was ready. It allowed me to kind of decompress, settle in, kind of review the script, go over the things I wanted to go over, kind of scope out for lighting, scope out the location. It allowed me to kind of do some, breath work, some meditation. I was chilling, I was enjoying the park, I was relaxing, I was calling friends, calling family, and I did all this in the matter of 30 to 45 minutes. So if you ever show up early to work or to school or to a shoot or to whatever you have going on in your life, don't feel like, I'm here early, what am I gonna do? Go down your list, check off a few things, even if it's just to sit there and kind of be mindful and really kind of think about things going on in your life. It's a great opportunity to use that time. Hopefully this 1 minute tip has helped you out. I know it ran a little longer than a minute, but sometimes you need a little bit more than a minute. You know what I'm saying? Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day.